biological species developing in our refrigerator.
What the fuck did you have in your refrigerator?
It looks like a snake. Did you look, ready? Prepare the box. Alright.
Prepare the box. Like, look.
Oh my god, look at it. I don't even... There's shit going in our refrigerator.
Look at that. It's like hair. It's like hair.
Give me this. Oh. Keep doing it. I'm gonna go for the big one.
Okay.
I don't know what else I need. I'm scheduling for the test challenge. Oh my god, this is so hard for me. I'm gonna be a violation in my entire fucking life. I can tell you everything about Bulgarian fruit. Oh my god, fucking sonnet. I do not want to have to do this shit. Help me, somebody help me. Help me. Okay, I'll keep going.
Okay, I got the box. I got the box. I can hear you throwing up.
You know, I didn't even throw up last night. I'm throwing up from cleaning my fucking refrigerator. Yeah, that's what I said.
You're saving it from last night.
Oh, jeez.
Oh god. What is it?
I don't know. Don't zoom in on it. Did you have like fruit or something in there? No. We had like an apple. We had an apple that was black.
Ew, what is this? What the fuck?
It was her apple. You should have taken it out if you knew I wasn't going to eat it.
Ah!
Why are we listening to this music?
Fallen.
Refrigerator.
That
That guy has a nasal voice.
It's like hair.
This is so difficult.
Oh.
I'm mortified right now. I'm deeply disturbed. I'm a survivor.
It is so gross. Look, it looks like hair.
God,
it's like hair.
Are tearing.
Oh god, it stinks.
My eyes are tearing. This is.
The glove is wet!